is up, guys? If you've watched enough videos on the internet, I'm pretty sure you've come across this setup here, where someone's just holding their microphone transmitter in their hand. Now, if that's the way they choose to do their content, or you choose to do your content, I'm not knocking you. I'm just here to let you know, you got options. Check this out. This is the StarRig Interview Microphone Handle. This is by a little company called CaTeFo. I've been using mine for over a year now, and I love it. Now, when I first bought this was actually 20 bucks, and I already thought that was a great deal. I just checked Amazon, and it's actually just under $15, which I think is a great deal, and I'm gonna tell you why. Now, out of the box, you get the microphone itself, and you get this little box to put around it. You can put your little logo on there and use it like a traditional news microphone if you like, or whatever. As you can see, I don't really use mine, but I still have it off to the side because, you know, hey, it's 20 bucks, well, now 15 bucks, you know. You appreciate any extras you get, right? The microphone itself is all plastic, but it is a solid build. Sorry. Now, the real unique thing about this microphone is that it has 2 1/4-inch threads. This is actually going to give you a variety of different mounting options, and you don't have to buy any specialized microphone handle. You can use the stuff that I'm pretty sure you already have if you've been making videos for a while. You could use your tripod. You can use your mini desktop tripod like you see here. You can use one of your clamps. Again, it's a variety of different options that you probably already own. Now, unfortunately, it does not come with the windscreen. I actually got this from my local music store for about $1, so I mean, it's not that difficult. But, you know, if you're looking for something a little more traditional, just take that, pop it on there. No one's the wiser. I actually used this on a trip last year with my friends. We took a nice little cruise to the Caribbean, and, you know, I tried to do a little interview segment with them, see how they were doing. I gave this right to them. They had no problem. There's like a psychology to it. People are used to this. They're not so much used to this. So, you know, for no better reason, you know, just, you know, when you're doing your man on the street videos, your interviews or what have you, this might be worth something investing in. So yeah, like I said, the StarRig Interview Microphone Handle, just under 15 bucks. There's a link in the description if you want to help the channel out at no additional cost to you. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, pretty cool, simple and effective piece of tech, and I love it. Anyway, this is Type 0 Tech. Have a blessed one.